Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn on voice chat in Roblox on PS5 in 2026. Now, before even using voice chat, your Roblox account must meet the platform requirements. So as it can be seen over here, this usually includes the age verification, the ID verification, eligible region access, and updated account settings. Voice chat will not work unless your account has been approved for Roblox's communication features. So you can just simply come here on Roblox. Afterwards, you just have to click on this settings icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. When you are inside your settings, you are going to see the information about your account, whether it is verified or not. If it is not verified, you just have to verify it by continuing with camera or by continuing with the ID. So once it is verified, you just have to simply open the settings again. Then you just have to go to the privacy section. Afterwards, you just have to go to the communication and enable the voice chat option. When it is opened, you just have to open the Roblox application on your PlayStation 5. Then simply log in into your account with the same verified email and the credentials. So here inside your PS5, you just have to go to the settings, then select the option of sound. And you are inside sound, you just have to select the option of microphone. Then you just have to simply confirm your preferred input device that is selected and microphone access is also enabled. So not all the Roblox games support voice chat, so you need to enter a compatible experience with voice features enabled and your voice communication should activate automatically. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.